So Dr. Dev, tell me about the I met you for the first time. I quoted you in my previous books.
Right.
The latest one also quotes you.
Right.
You saw the CDFD Hyderabad report.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was your observation? Because your observation is there in Chandrachud's Mind book also,
Right.
latest also, even earlier.
Right.
What was your observation on seeing the CDFD Hyderabad report on Gumnami Baba teeth?
So my primary observation, what I can comment from the CDFD report mainly, is that whatever the report is there as of now exists, from there it becomes clear that the DNA matches whatever the result has come out from that. So it is not, we can't say that the result is completely inconclusive, first of all. So with whatever
I mean, for the sake of providing the background information.
So if you see
there were 7 teeth were sent to them,
right,
and it doesn't state anywhere in the report that they were asked to use only 2 of them.
Right.
For some reason they used only 2 teeth, and they claimed that 1 teeth did not yield anything.
Right.
But the other teeth yielded something, but it was not sufficient to draw a conclusion.
Right.
And so they had 4 loci. I mean,
yeah. So what I can say you that so the DNA is taken from the pulp to which the teeth is attached. So it might happen that you don't get extract enough of DNA from the pulp, but I don't understand the division of labor between CSFL Calcutta and CDFD Hyderabad.
No, there is nothing on record to suggest that they had a division labor.
So that's what I don't understand, why they have used so and so teeth, why not all the teeth available to them,
because the report does not say that the Mukherjee Commission had asked them to use only 2 teeth. So they were free to do anything they wanted.
Exactly.
And even if they were to do half, so they had 7 teeth. So
they have categorically the CDFD report. If you look in depth, they have looked at the 9 repeats, the loci that they were trying to match the paternal. The parental origin with the DNA in question, the person in question, out of which they have got conclusive results for the 4 loci, and all of the 4 matches.
Okay.
There is no data on the rest of the 5, but all the 4 matches. So I don't understand the basis of saying that the report is inconclusive.
Okay.
So to me, whatever evidence we have from the CDFD report, it shows that there's a match.
Yeah. So you haven't seen the report which Professor Gyaneshwar Chaubey and Professor I'm sorry, there's a plane passing by, so let it go first of all. You have not seen the report which Professor Gyaneshwar Chaubey and Professor Srivastav given to us, so I will make it public later on. But you have seen the live streaming we had with him. So you must have carefully heard what Professor Chaubey, he's a very eminent DNA expert.
Absolutely.
What is your take on after seeing that?
What Professor Chaubey has categorically established is he has scrutinized the report, and he has established whatever he has said is absolutely the fact, and the based on scientific knowledge, and he has taken us through to the report. And I think that is that should be taken as a gold standard, a reference. That's what he is saying, and I am continuing from that. I have seen his report. I am continuing my comments on the basis of his. He's absolutely right. I would like to add the CDFD's report, to me, as it appears, is a positive report.
Okay. And so what about the CFSL Calcutta is not having electropherogram? So like what does it mean?
So if you provide partial results, that means you have a sabotage in mind. You're trying to play with the outcome.
Okay.
So
have you ever seen in your life, in your your experience of these things, have you ever come across a single DNA report without an electropherogram?
So actually, no DNA report can come up without an electropherogram. There's a process. There's a process in which the
somewhere the CFSL has some people, they probably told somebody in media that the CFSL reports usually don't contain electropherogram. Is that the thing with the foreign labs also?
I mean, it's not possible, impossible.
So every report has to have
have electropherogram. I mean, they may not be attached with the result itself, but may not be. But if someone asks for that, they should be able to provide that.
But in this case, they have no reason to resort to
No,
secrecy. In our
no.
case, they are saying first it's not available, then say it's secret. So that's not
I
done.
mean, there is no secret in doing a DNA
Yes,
test.
no secret, because they have already said it he was not Netaji. So
Yeah.
then what is the worry? So they
Yeah,
should give us the
yeah,
report and
exactly.
and then be through it. So that's how it is. Chaliye, thank you very much.
Thank
I
you
look
very
forward to getting this discussion. We should discuss with
Thank
you.
you very much. Anytime, anytime. Thank you.
Okay.